In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block websites on Brave browser. If you use Brave and want a simple, built-in way to keep distracting or unwanted sites out of your day, this walkthrough is for you. We'll do everything using Brave's own settings, so there's no need to install extra extensions. First, open your Brave browser and make sure you're on the desktop version so the menus match what you see here. Look to the top right corner of the window for the icon with 3 horizontal lines. That's your main menu. Click it to open Brave's Settings and Tools. From that menu, choose Settings. This will open a new tab with all of Brave's preferences. On the left-hand sidebar, find Shields. Shields is Brave's built-in protection system, and it also includes powerful content filtering options that we'll use to block sites. Inside Shields, click Content Filtering. This section controls what Brave's blocker allows and blocks, and it's where you can add your own rules. You'll see an option to add custom filter lists. That's the control we want. In the field there, paste the website URL you want to block. Keep it simple. Use the site's domain, like example.com, without HTTPS or extra paths. If the site has versions with and without www, Brave typically covers both when you enter the root domain, but if you notice anything slipping through, you can come back and add the other form as well. After you've pasted the site you want to block, click Add. Brave will save your entry and start enforcing it right away. To test it, open a new tab and try visiting the site you just added. If it still loads, refresh the page, close and reopen the tab, or toggle Shields for that site off and back on to reset the filter. Make sure content filtering is turned on globally in this section too. A few quick tips before we wrap up. This method blocks the site only inside Brave. Other browsers on your computer won't be affected. If you ever need to unblock a site, return to the same content filtering page, find your custom entry, and remove it. You can add as many sites as you like and manage them all from here. For best results, stick to the core domain rather than long page addresses. And if you're comfortable with filter rules, Brave's blocker also understands advanced patterns. But a plain domain is usually all you need. That's it. Your chosen websites are now blocked in Brave using the browser's own tools. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.